5 things that will help you to build up a routine and create a new habit. Number 1. There is no shortcut. Beware that there is no shortcut. Habit and routine means continuous daily practice. Second, think in small steps. Be aware that goals that are too big can be demotivating. Focus on the goals that you can grasp. If you have 5 minutes to meditate, great. It is achievable, right? If you have 3 more exercises to do this week, this sounds achievable, right? And suddenly, also 21 days of meditation appear to be something that you can accomplish easily. Third, orient towards successes. If you did your first meditation session, be happy about that little success. If you managed to stay focused for 10 minutes straight, be happy about this little success. That helps you to see your personal successes and observe your personal successes more easily. Fourth, commitment. Be active, doing your exercise no matter how you feel. If you're feeling fine, do the exercise. If you're feeling sad, do the exercise. If the sun shines, do the exercise. If it rains, do the exercise. That will help you to create momentum and to not be distracted by appearing emotions or circumstances. To stay committed, it helps if you write down your personal why. If you write down this at least once, you'll be much more likely to keep on track. Number 5. If you pause or stop, do not judge yourself. If you pause or stop, just continue. Many people are having a negative self-talk because of pausing or stopping the exercise, resulting in even less motivation to continue exercises like these. So if you stopped or paused, regardless of the reason, do not look back, but forward towards the things that you want to achieve. In our case, a meditation routine. That will help you to cope with setbacks in the future more easily. And just a final note. Compare the creation of a new habit with building a house. Can you see all the small tasks that are necessary to build and maintain a house? Like laying the bricks, painting, and also cleaning? That is it, that you want to keep in mind creating a new routine like meditation. You will find a certain wisdom in sayings like Rome wasn't built in one day, and actually they're still building the city right now. If you need further support, you can exchange with the people that might have the same problems or struggles like you. But you can also orient towards the people that are already ahead of you and are successful meditating. You can do that in my exclusive Facebook group, Simply Healthy, where I discuss all the health-related topics like food, exercises, alternative treatment options, and meditation. A link to the group is attached. Besides that, if you need additional motivation, you can message me anytime. So, enjoy the process of creating a new habit.